Welcome to today's news. I'm Lucy, the host. For the coming new year, what's your New Year's resolution? Next, let's connect with foreign journalists.
Let's go and interview the kittens. Do you have any New Year's wishes?
My New Year's resolution is that I can go to school.
Then let's help you realize it.
I have a small school bag. I'm not late for school every day.
What's your New Year's resolution, miss?
When it comes to this, I'm very upset. Because I'm sweet and cute, there are always kittens fighting for me. My New Year's wish is that they don't fight for me anymore. It's too hard to be a beauty.
What's your New Year's resolution, young man?
It's very simple. Become a sportsmaster.
Of course, I also want to be a sportsman.
Then let's help you realize it.
May I ask this very cold gentleman, what's your New Year's resolution?
Can I apply for a change of owner?
What is this about?